Welcome to the installation video for Avdex Connector Sealing Kit without polyurethane potting compound. The following are the materials that you will need to install Avdex Connector Sealing Kit: safety glasses and gloves, stretch sealed tape, part number AD89503, self-fusing tape, part number AD59163, and approved cleaning agent such as isopropyl alcohol. The first step in installing the connector sealing kit is surface preparation. The harness bundle and components that will come in contact with the connector sealing kit shall be free of dirt, oil, grease, and other contamination prior to installation. Clean harness and component as required with clean cloth moistened with solvent. Once the harness bundle and other components are free of contaminants, you are ready to install the stretch sealed tape, part number AD89503. To install the stretch seal tape, begin by removing it from the package and unroll a small length of tape. Continue by pulling back a small amount of the release film, making sure that the tape remains free of dirt or other contaminants. Begin wrapping the stretch sealed tape around the connector to be protected behind the coupling ring or nut. Stretch the tape 25 to 50% to ensure good compression around the connector body and rear accessories. Remove the release film as required. Continue to apply the stretch sealed tape with a 50% overlap until the connector rear accessory is covered and at least one complete wrap of stretch sealed tape has been installed on the harness bundle. Cut off any excess stretch sealed tape with scissors. Now you are ready to install the self-fusing silicone tape, part number AD59163. Begin by removing the self-fusing tape from the package. Pull back a small amount of the release film, making sure that the tape remains free of dirt or other contaminants. Begin to wrap the connector behind the coupling ring or nut with one complete revolution on itself. After the first full wrap is complete, continue wrapping with a 50% overlap over the top of the stretch seal tape. Use the line in the middle of self-fusing silicone tape as a guide and remove the release film as required. Be sure to stretch the self-fusing silicone tape 50 to 300% during the application to ensure a tight fit when complete. Stretching the tape will also aid in the fusing process. Continue to wrap the self-fusing tape until at least one complete wrap past the end of the stretch seal tape. Make one complete wrap over the top of the last wrap. The first and last wrap must always be a complete wrap directly over the top of the previous wrap. Cut off any excess self-fusing silicone tape with scissors. If you have any further questions, need to order more products, or want to find out more about Avdex products, please contact your Avdex sales team member or go to www.avdex.com. Thank you for using Avdex products to prevent corrosion on your equipment.